Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? What's going on this time? As you can see, my friend, the Polygon condition is very critical now. Minus 2.45%. The price is decreasing now. So let's get a start a video, my friend. I will also predicate this coin. I will also do a technical analysis, and I also share my opinion. So please must watch this complete video because this is very important for all holders, my friends. In those days, especially Polygon price will be pumps up, but when a holder are starting selling, when the market cap is decreasing, so definitely the price will also decreasing. So I have one request from all of you to please, if you want to get a profit, as you can see, my friends, Polygon huge pump 20.54%, my friend. In last 3 days, Polygon will pumps up. So this is a coin, my friend. Absolutely, I love Polygon, and every day, my friend, every day I invest, I sell, my friend. But in Polygon, I invest, my friend, in the start of month and sell it at the end of month, because this is one of the comfortable coin. Definitely, if they will very badly fails down, also they will give you a profit, because from other after a fails, they will take a very huge jump. As you can see, after a short fail, they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, I am so happy, my friends, and every coin will moving in this circulation, but not like a Polygon. So 1.6 USD dollar is the highest price, and 1.5 USD dollar is the current price. So that's mean to, in the price is not a big difference, my friend. I hope to they will get a more and more profit, but if you are hold, so kindly holders, I have one request from all of you to don't starting selling. I am 100% sure to upcoming days Polygon will give you a profit. In last 7 days, you can see 12.32% they will profit. So therefore, I love Polygon. So they will give me a profit. Yes, my brothers, this is really nice pumps now, my friend. In last 7 days, otherwise, all crypto market is uncomfortable. Every coin were very badly fails around. Shiba Inu coin also just in only last 24 hours, my friends, get a 1.5% profit. Otherwise, in last 2 days and 1 day, my friend, in 3 days, and sorry, 1 day not, in last 7 days, last 3 days, very badly fails down. So therefore, my advice for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling.